Okay, so here we have a Ferrari Portofino on a 2018 registration in a colour called the Grigio Silverstone Metallic with the Bordeaux Red Interior, which makes a massive difference because the contrasting colours work really well. This particular car only has 23,000 miles on and is still under the Ferrari Maintenance Plan till 2025. Now, like any good Ferrari, it's all about the specification, colour combination and the way the car's being kept, and this one is nothing short of beautiful. It's immaculate, very well looked after, and like I said, it's got the right amount of specification. Remember, the Portofino comes in a 2+2 seat configuration, so whilst it is a supercar, sports car, it's a 4-seater with a boot and a hardtop convertible. With the live pricing that we use here at Acklam Car Centre, this will be the best priced Portofino on the market. Now, let's start with the colour. It's fantastic. Lovely dark metallic grey. You've got the bonnet venting at the top there. Nice long front end. It's a sports car. But then you have the SBL lighting system with the full LED daytime running lights. You've then got the features like here on the chrome on the front grille. You've got the Ferrari badge on the front camera system, rear camera system as well. And then this car also has Magneride. You've then got 20-inch lovely silver wheels, absolutely spotless, and just behind you have the carbon ceramic brake discs with the red brake calipers as well. But then you have this beautiful styling to the air venting round here, so it sucks air through there, goes down the side and back out to the rear. You've also got the Ferrari Scuderia shields here. Remember, it's a hardtop convertible, so you press one button and that just falls away, so you get best of both worlds. You pull this little handle here, you present it with that lovely Bordeaux red leather interior with the sport seats and electric seats as well. You've then got the passenger display, which is a huge feature. Flat bottom steering wheel, elongated paddle shift. This car also has Apple CarPlay and the JBL sound system. Fully fitted Portofino mats, and you have the aluminium entry kick plates. And like I said, it is a 4-seater, so you can put people in the back. Don't get me wrong, the back seats aren't exactly designed for adults, but certainly kids can squeeze in there. You've then got the rounded LED lighting system. This car also has an upgraded sports exhaust, tailpipes from Ferrari, and they create a great sound. High level brake light just there, and you've got your boot space. Now, this cover here is where the roof sits onto. We can lift it up if you're not going to put the roof down, and you get a bit more of a load area, which is ideal. Your plaque is just up here, Apple CarPlay. You've got the adaptive headlights that we spoke about. Cavallino stitched on the headrests, which I'll show in a few seconds. The Magneride, it's got all sorts. The full spec sheet will be on the website if you want to see it. Bodywork, like I said, is in a fantastic condition. I'm going to quickly press the button and show you when the roof goes down, because it does make a difference in the way the car looks. Literally, it's one button and off it goes. Whilst it's doing that, I'm going to give you a little taster of what this car sounds like, because it really is incredible. That's a beautiful sound. It's a Ferrari. It's what you expect. You're talking 600 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. There's the paddle shift, the different controls, engine stop start, sport, comfort, ESC off. You've then got the indicators just there, navigation, aluminium centre clock, and more digital computer section down below. Put it into reverse and your camera system kicks in. It's that simple. And the passenger display is over there. You've got 2 keys. This car also has a nav track system as well, so it's an anti-theft system, so it's a tracker system in effect. Electric windows, centre armrest, which lifts up more cubbyhole space. It's just a great seating position, great driver, and it sounds absolutely tremendous. With only 23,000 miles on, in this colour combination, it doesn't get much better. My name is Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, but don't miss out on this awesome car. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.